Your business needs a custom pressure vessel, and you need it now. A major issue facing customers in the industry is long lead times and the uncertainty of a delivery timeline. Do you need more predictability for your product? Then you need Rexarc. At Rexarc, we address your specific needs and deliver your product in less time than the industry standard. Our established processes for each manufacturing step means every product that goes out our doors is delivered on your timeline. Some fabricators can't add customizations like skidding or instrumentation. When you choose Rexarc, our team delivers a custom, quality product on time, every time. Predictability. If you're ready to explore custom pressure vessels with a guaranteed quick delivery, let us show you how we can fulfill your requirements. Rexarc. Generations of steel tank excellence. Custom, value added, quick delivery. Let's get to work. Call 937-839-4604 or visit us at Rexarc.com.